pain high level kidney earning test on regular basis. You have a very destinating pair of eyes. I found myself loose in ocean of infinite hope, happiness, and patience. Whenever I look into them, this hope keeps me alive. Happiness surrounds my every moment, and patience reminds me that I am in heaven. I can create another ordinances describing my love for you. You have such a profound influences on my life that I can erasing the memories of you. If I live from a million year, I am lucky to part of your my life. I will unite in my last breath. You have made my life how much power the word love holds and understand the true meaningful of romantic love. Thank you for being such a kind, understanding and caring human being. You have inspired me a lot. Love you, baby girl. You are a ray of living, breathing sunshine who holds the power to bring out everything around here. With her beauty also have to sweet the best smile which melts my heart, darling. Thank you for being a companions to interpreting the beauty goddess is embracing you. I beat. I am so attached to you now that only death can separate you us from each other. Every moment I when spends myself thinking about you. You have become the reasons for me smile, the meaningful of my life, and the inspiration tomorrow. My desired future wife, as I'm riding through the desert on horse, surrounding by the endless dance and the visiting experiencing of the urban wilderness. I am filled with a deep sense of longing for your presence. I am hunting alone, but you, my heart is not the hunt, for I am incompletely with you. I my by side the thrall of the chase, the rich of the wandering and beauty of the landscape, or delighting by the obscenity of the persons who makes my heart sing. I find my glancing over my shoulder, hoping to catch a glimpse of riding towards my hair, feeling in the wind sing. Your eyes shining with excitement. I imagine the sound of your laughter, the sparkle in your eyes, and the warmth of your smile. And I am filled with a sense of anticipation and lingering in my love. I hope you get here. I am not all without you. I yearn to ride a longing existing you to hand with you and exploring with wonder of the deserved together, my believed, my future wife, the deserved, my be visiting and unforgiving. But with you, my side, I know that we can conquering anything. I promise to always be your partner, you are combinations, and you are protector. Together, we will ride the Dinesh hand the wedding and build a life filled with love, laughter, and the adventure. Waiting your arrival, my love, and I will be here waiting for you with all my heart. I am forever you are the sunshine that fades all that the darkness in my life. You are my road to redeeming. I've never loved somebody so deeply than you. I love you greeted. Then I can stay nothing can every change. My love for you, I am really so proud, honey. Why are you making me sad? I told you to send me a message. Me to now since I got deserves. I have not been able to find my anymore.